Silo 670, slightly bored. We'll do a 42-inch bar. Let's see, 42, which is quite big. Australian hardwood, hard, dry old crab. So there's not a nice cut from last two saws. This saw got to that part. The bar didn't even make it all the way through. The bar didn't make it all the way through the log, so the whole finished there. This saw did, so be careful once to split. I didn't go all the way through, and I left it there because it's balanced. Alright, it's already been warmed up. We're going to sit so you guys can see. Might be over here. See, you know how wide the log is now. So, no better angle here. We'll just saw out of the road. Oh, God. Gonna do a G444 next. That's pretty better angle. So you're seeing, I'll be cutting through a branch on the side of the tree because it's gives me the width I need, so you can film it's good. If I go up higher. There you go. This stuff is hard stuff. Angle up so you can see. Right, size turned to shine. Make sure I'm going here. Hard to see guys, sunglasses and stuff. Alright, here we go. Right. Low compression saw, way they're built. I love me silos. That never ever stops surprising me. Power and torque. They're just good. I'll show you the back where I was cutting. I didn't make it all the way through. Came close though. So bar come through here, straight through. So the next couple will be over here for the G444. I'll have to get up set up. Alright, I'll set myself up.